You receive a notice informing you that you have to testify in court. What do you need to know when you go to court? Welcome to this segment on witnesses in civil litigation. Let us answer your questions. Understanding the hearing notification letter. When you receive a court notice, you should start by looking at the case number, the branch in charge, the cause of action, and the names of litigants to find out why you have to testify in court. The time of arrival indicates the time the session is scheduled to begin. Note the location of the session, including the court number, to avoid going to the wrong place. So, do I have to testify? Of course you do! The court puts an obligation on witnesses to testify. So if you receive a notice, you should treat it seriously. If you refuse to appear without a valid reason, the court will fine you up to 30,000 NT dollars. If you still do not appear after another notice is issued, another fine of up to 60,000 NT dollars will be levied, and you will be arrested. If you have a valid reason not to appear in court, you should provide documents to support this in advance and ask for leave from the court. If you are unable to appear in court due to distance or health reasons, you can apply to the relevant branch of the court to take part remotely, and the court will decide if and how this should be carried out. Preparing for court. The day you are set to appear in court arrives. If the court has agreed to remote proceedings, please refer to the Remote Court Proceedings Handbook in advance. For more information, you can scan the QR code in the top left corner. If you are attending court in person, remember your appearance should reflect your respect for the court. On that day, remember to bring your ROC ID card or other identification, your notification letter, and any other required documents indicated in the notification letter. Ideally, you should register your attendance at the court early, giving yourself time to find the courtroom. Please make use of public transportation when possible. Don't forget to log in a bit early if it's a remote proceeding. There are two ways to register your arrival at court: at the counter or the check-in kiosk. Then, wait for a court attendant to call you in. If it's not your turn yet, you can either stay outside in the waiting area or sit in the public gallery inside your appointed courtroom and listen to the current session. If the appointed time arrives and your case hasn't been called yet, the previous case may have gone over on time. Like hospital clinics, courts hear several cases every day, so please be patient. You can check the progress of the previous case on the court's website or on the LCD monitors outside the court. After entering the courtroom, please remain silent and be respectful. Court procedures and your rights. Private recordings of sound, images, or photographs are not permitted inside the courtroom. When proceedings begin, the judge will first ask you to sit at the witness stand and ask a few personal details to ensure you are who you say you are, and then proceed to question you. They will also assess whether or not you are related to either of the litigants or have an employment relationship with them. If you have a valid reason for not testifying, you should explain it to the judge at this point. When you're testifying, you should do so truthfully, and after reading your witness statement, you'll be asked to sign it. If you're found to have borne false witness, you'll be charged with perjury, a criminal offense. After questioning, you can leave the witness stand and return to the public gallery. Don't leave unless the judge first gives you permission. After the proceedings, you can apply to the court for travel and other daily expenses. Giving testimony in court is not as difficult as you might imagine, so let's uphold justice together.